Now we're gonna focus on the defense, okay? We're gonna focus on your footwork, the way to move and the way to work with your feet.
Means
okay?
like tomorrow when I wake up, even though
you're gonna feel it there.
We're gonna feel
it
in the legs.
You're gonna feel it down there.
It's burning.
I'm gonna start from the basket. You can play lob, you can play everything. Come on. Keep going. Oh! What a beast. Come on, keep going. What a pity. Let's pick the ball. You can play straight, lob, cross, whatever. But focus on your footwork. Don't complain, please. Come in. Yes! I like it. You get it, huh? This is one of the most common mistakes when you are a forehand player. When the ball comes on your left foot, this is a very standard situation that you're gonna find in a match. Doesn't matter with the volley, with a bandeja, because it's a safety direction for the opponent. So it's very common that the opponent play on your left foot or on your body. It's more or less the same, okay? And it's a very common mistake what he did, like try to avoid on that way, then the ball is gonna rebound on the back wall and it's impossible to catch it because the step that you're losing on that direction, you're gonna need it to be able to catch the ball. Yes! You have to try to turn with the ball. Another common mistake is to try to save that one moving into the glass. And maybe there is a moment that you don't have a space enough. Okay, so the way out on that situation, you have to really identify.
360.
You have to really identify how the ball comes to you, and then on that case, you need to turn
360
and give the way out to the ball. Okay, there we go. Let's continue.
And
was perfect. Was on the first one.
You are just hitting balls from the basket, no playing.
No play, no play. Come in. Yes, easy. Come in. Go. Footwork. Be careful with that one. Be careful. Go. Be careful. Come back. Go. Yes. Much easier. Come in. Open up. Nice. Got it. Yes. Come on. Don't struggle with your feet. Go. Continue. Got it? No, no. With the rebound. With the rebound. Finish. Continue. Got it? No, no, with the rebound, with the rebound. Yes. Come back. Come in. All right, come to the main position. Main position. Yes. Come on. Yes. Got it? Give me 4 more. Give me 4 more. 1. Yes. 2. Nice. 3. Sorry, was my fault. Oh, here. 3. Sorry, was my fault. 3. And the last one. Come on, Mackan. Watch out. Watch out.
I hate it.
Last go. And the last one. Come on, Mackan. Watch out. Watch out.
Hate it.
Watch out with that one. You fix it, but you confuse in the beginning. Okay? It's really important, the footwork, and to understand which are all the options that you get depending on where the ball is coming. If the ball is coming on your right foot or if the ball is coming on your left foot. It's the first thing that you have to try to identify these 2 big blocks. To be able to identify these 2 big blocks, you have to be on the main position. That's the reason why it's really important to come back after every shot. Doesn't matter the situation. You have to return the ball, and then while you're watching what's going to happen, you have to come back to your main position and then start over. Get in control. Breathe. You were lost. You were lost. Come in. Go. Got it. Turn around. No, no. Was not like that. Yes. That's it. That one is with the backhand. Come back. Turn around. Yes. Come on. Nice. Got it? Main position. Turn around. Okay. Identify. Come back. Identify. No, no. I don't want that one. Come on, man. Keep on moving. Yes. Turn around. Give me 3 more. 1. Turn around. Okay. Breathe.
3 more, 4 more.
If you don't back to the main position after every shot, there is a moment that you're going to be lost. So really important, back to the main position after every shot to get in control the rebound of the ball, to get in control the corner. Come on. Come on. Be careful with that one.
Han vill att jag ska följa bollen hela vägen och framför istället för att vänta på den.
Come on. Be careful with that one. No. Last round. I'm gonna be 20 in a row. 20. Focus. You can fail 4. All right? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. 11, 12. Okay, continue. Watch out. 1 mistake. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. You did it. Good congestion. It's really important, that turn, huh? Really good, man.
Good for the legs.
Good job.
Feel it.
Good job.
Olle, han är trött nu. Tired.
How are you, man?
The Andalusian master is tired.
Huh?
You're tired now. He beat you.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Congrats, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Good.
Thank you very much. Amazing weekend.
Nej, bättre. Skulle säga inte lika många missar.
Well, I think the next step is to understand what to do with the ball. As a forehand player, you have to be really smart on court, and you have to really know what to do with every shot, with every ball. Where to play, who is in front of you, about the tactic, about the concept. So that's like the level up, the next step, what to do.